So you've written your fiction book, now it comes time to promoting it. So how do you promote it? This is where social media comes in. Do you like social media? I think it really sucks. I hate using social media. It's a great way to get traffic to whatever it is you're trying to sell, a free source of traffic other than paid, which you can use paid, but you have the option of free. So it's great for that. But if you are new to any of these social media sites, it can take time to build a following. And a lot of them, it really takes a lot of time, a lot of dedication, continual posting. Do you get sick and tired of posting all the time and you get no replies, no feedback, no followers, or maybe once in a while you might get some comments, maybe occasionally a sarcastic comment? Well, it's part of the course, and typically you have to grow some thick skin in order to promote yourself. Sometimes it can be a scary thing, putting yourself out there in front of all these people, being judged, ridiculed. And there's some people that may really like what you have to say. It all depends on what you have to share or how you put yourself across to other viewers if you have a good message. But in order to sell your books, once you get done putting all that work you've spent putting into your fiction book, you have to promote it in order to sell anything. If you don't promote it, it's not going to sell. Even if you self-publish through Amazon, Amazon isn't going to promote it for you. You have to do your own promoting. Unfortunately, yes, you have to kind of become a salesman of your own work. And who really likes to pitch things? Nobody likes to be pitched at or be sold to. Most of the time, these social media sites are basically just used for socializing, friends, meeting new people, but quite often a lot of these social media channels are used to promote people's businesses. And if you're a fiction writer and you have a book that you wrote you want to sell, you have to promote it in order to sell copies of it. Unfortunately, you got to become a salesman. So there's many different social media platforms, like there's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, to name a few. And some people say you need to promote yourself on many. You need to use as many platforms as possible. Others say that you just stick to one or two good ones you really want to work with. It all basically comes down to how comfortable you feel with it. Basically, you should start with one that you really feel comfortable with and promote yourself with that one and get a good following before you start up another one. So if you have been working on Facebook for a while and you think you got a good following, then you can expand onto another one. Try not to do all of them all at once at first. But if you are having a difficult time trying to get a following or knowing where to promote it, or if you get sick and tired of just social media, other places that you can use to expand your pitching yourself, or whatever you want to call it, you need to promote yourself, your books that you want to sell. So you're gonna have to do it somewhere. But if you're looking for more to step outside of the typical social media realm, I invite you to click on the link in the description, which will take you to my blog where you can check out some information on there. I hope that you enjoyed today's information, and I hope that you like and subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you in the next video. See you then.